Why? Why kulang kayo ng isa, guys? Ano? May jowa yung isa. Eh, kaya ba wala? Wilson, wala ka bang jowa? Okay, bye!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! So, I'm home now and I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I have here lumpiang, chicken lumpia. Diba? I'm gonna taste it. Sarap. May adobo din ako. Ako yung nagluto nito, so I'm gonna try it now. Yummy!